In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay at a store with PayPal in 2025. With the rapid advancement of digital payments, using PayPal for in-store purchases has become more seamless than ever. I'll guide you through the process step by step so you can confidently use PayPal the next time you're out shopping. First, let's make sure everything is set up correctly on your mobile device. If you haven't already, go to the Google Play Store, search for the PayPal app, and if it's not installed yet, download it. The app is essential because it serves as your main hub for managing payments and transactions on the go. Once the app is installed, the next step is configuring your payment methods. Open the PayPal app and sign in with your account. After logging in, go to the Payment Methods section. Here, you'll see all your available options for linking payment methods. This allows you to choose the one that works best for you. To make payments in stores, you need to link an active payment method. In most modern stores, linking your bank account or a credit card is the best option. This ensures you always have a backup if your PayPal balance runs low. Look for the option to add a new payment method and select Add PayPal. This connects your app to your preferred funding source, allowing seamless payments when you're out shopping. Now it's time to pay at the store. When you're ready, open the PayPal app and make sure your phone is connected to the internet. You may need to log in again for security. At the checkout counter, tell the cashier you like to pay using PayPal. From here, the process may differ depending on the store. In most modern stores, you'll see a QR code at the point of sale. If so, tap the scan option in your PayPal app, hold your camera over the QR code, and follow the on-screen instructions. Super easy. Alternatively, some stores support contactless payments. In that case, select the contactless payment option in your PayPal app and hold your phone near the payment terminal. It works just like a regular tap-to-pay card. And that's it. You're now all set to enjoy the convenience of using PayPal for in-store purchases. After paying, be sure to check your transaction summary in the app to confirm everything went through smoothly. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping with PayPal.